Episode 8 The Voyage to Southeast Asia. Hello everyone. In our previous episodes, we explored St Francis Xavier's missionary activities in southern India. Today, we delve into another significant phase of St Xavier's life, his voyage to Southeast Asia, including destinations like Malacca and the Spice Islands, and the challenges he faced in spreading Christianity in these regions. Xavier's journey to Southeast Asia. Xavier's travels took him to the vibrant and diverse regions of Southeast Asia. His journey included stops at strategic locations such as Malacca, now part of Malaysia, and the Spice Islands, part of present-day Indonesia. Purpose of the voyage. Xavier's mission in Southeast Asia was to continue the spread of Christianity and to reach out to new communities that had not yet been exposed to the Christian faith. His travels aimed to establish a Christian presence in these diverse regions. Arrival in Malacca. Malacca, a vital port city at the time, was a melting pot of cultures and a center of trade. Xavier's arrival in this cosmopolitan city marked the beginning of his endeavors to introduce Christianity to the local population. Challenges in spreading Christianity. Xavier faced multifaceted challenges in spreading the Christian faith in Malacca. The region's diverse population, consisting of various ethnicities and religious beliefs, presented significant hurdles in conveying the Christian message and gaining acceptance among the people. Engagement with local communities. Xavier dedicated himself to understanding the cultural and religious nuances of the diverse communities in Malacca. He interacted with locals, attempting to bridge the gap between the Christian teachings and the local customs, seeking connections based on mutual respect and understanding. Voyage to the Spice Islands. Xavier's journey continued to the Spice Islands, a region known for its rich natural resources and strategic importance in trade. Here, he encountered similar challenges in conveying the Christian message to the local population amid diverse cultural and religious traditions. The challenges Xavier faced in the Spice Islands were akin to those in Malacca. The region's cultural diversity and deeply rooted religious traditions posed obstacles in the acceptance of Christianity among the local communities. Xavier's resilience and continuing legacy. Despite the challenges, Xavier remained resilient in his mission work. His endeavors, although they may not have led to widespread conversions, laid the groundwork for the eventual growth of Christianity in these regions, leaving a lasting legacy in Southeast Asia. St. Xavier's voyage to Southeast Asia, including stops in Malacca and the Spice Islands, was met with various challenges in conveying the Christian message in culturally diverse and religiously pluralistic regions. His resilience and dedication contributed to the foundation of Christianity in these areas, leaving a legacy that persisted and grew over time. Thank you for joining me for this episode. In the upcoming episodes, we will further explore Xavier's missionary journeys and the challenges and successes he encountered in other regions as he continued his mission. Stay tuned for episode 9, where we will explore Xavier's mission in Japan and his efforts in establishing Christian communities in that country.